You've heard the words crypto, blockchain, Web3. But what do they really mean? Let's learn together. Welcome to PapayaLab Web3. Episode 1, What is money? Money can show up in many forms. Paper bills, shiny coins, plastic cards, or even a simple tap on a phone. But what is money, really? Strange question, isn't it? Every day, we use money without thinking. We pay with cash, cards, or our phones. We earn money. We spend money. And we worry about money. But here is a simple question. What exactly is money? It is more than coins or paper. At its core, money is a shared idea. An idea that replaced bartering, helps us store value for later, and gives us a common way to compare prices. Today, we focus on just one idea. One idea. 5 minutes. That's it. That's the whole practice. Watch how clear things become when everything else waits. Before money existed, bartering existed. People traded directly. A handful of rice for fish. Fish for clothes. This system was called barter. A fisherman gives fish to a farmer. The farmer offers rice in return. Then the farmer trades that fish again. This time for clothes. Rice for fish. Fish for clothes. Simple and very direct. This system is called bartering. But it only works when both sides want the same thing. Most of the time, they don't. So humans invented something smarter. That's the premise. People once traded shells. Over time, those shells were shaped into metal coins. Because everyone agreed to accept them, the coins became a common medium. That item became money. Once money existed, it became the middle step in every trade. Money stores value. It measures value. And it moves value. That is what money is designed to do. But here is the important part. Money is not the paper itself. The paper can disappear. People remain. And with them remain trust, care, and the ability to create value. Money is an agreement between people. When we trust a token, a coin, or a digital number, we agree it has value. That shared belief allows us to trade, to save, and to keep value moving through our lives. So let's return to something practical. Money is built on trust. An agreement built on trust. Money is trust. Written down. A note, a coin, or a digital balance is simply a record that people agree has value. It says, someone trusted me with this much, and everyone else accepts that trust too. That's it. Paper has no value by itself. A decorated slip of fiber does not magically become wealth. It becomes valuable only because all of us agree to trust and use it. That is the power of shared belief. Money works because society agrees to trust it. You accept it today, believing others will accept it tomorrow. That's the promise. Deal. As long as trust exists, money works. That's the premise. When trust breaks, money breaks. This matters even more in a digital world, because modern money is mostly invisible. Added 20s. We rarely see it. We rarely touch it. Yet we rely on it every day, which makes understanding trust more important than ever. So we must ask, who do we trust? The idea behind money has never changed. That's the premise. Here is today's takeaway. Money is not a thing. Money is an agreement. And today's action is simple. Next time you pay, ask yourself, who am I trusting in this transaction? That's it. A small question, That protects your money and your peace of mind.